Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. So what we studied in the last class? Anybody remember? Yes, we studied the different rooms in our school. So we can make a quick recap on that topic. So last class we studied about different rooms in our school. Classroom. What is the use of classroom? Yes, learn to read and write. Next, library, to read books. Then music room, learn to sing and play guitar and many other musical instruments. Then computer lab, learn to operate a computer. Canteen, to have the lunch. Then activity room, do art and craft work. So this much we studied in the last session. So today you are going to learn a most important room in your school, that is your classroom. So you can see a picture in the picture here. This is a picture of a classroom. This is a picture of a classroom, and in the picture you can see a teacher is teaching something to the children, and you can see teacher, he is here, students are there and they are eagerly listening to the teacher, and you can see many other things in the classroom. So we can check what are the things in the classroom. So our classroom is big, isn't it? Our classroom is big or not? When you came to school at that days, you already seen your classroom. Our classroom is big. Then what are the other things in the classroom? Yes, there is a blackboard or a board on the wall. In some classes you can see whiteboard also. So you can see a board on the wall. So what is the use of that board? Yes, when teacher is teaching something, she is writing in the board for teacher to write. Next is, in the classroom we can see many other things. We can check what are the other things. So there is a few display boards on the wall. You can see here display boards. So for what? To display charts or any important notice or anything is there. So to display on the display board. Then there are boys and girls in the classroom. In your classroom also your friends are there, boys and girls are also there. Next is, the classroom has many desks and chairs. In your classroom also you can see many desks and chairs. Then the classroom has a dustbin also. What is the use of the dustbin? So when you are sharpening your pencil or any waste papers are there, you will all put in the dustbin, isn't it? Or otherwise you will do what you are doing. Usually you are putting all the waste in the dustbin. So don't put the waste in your classroom. You have to keep your class very neat and clean. So today we studied the important things in the classroom. So in the classroom we learn to write, read and speak, and in the classroom we can see many things are there. So in the classroom teacher is there and also students are there. Then our classroom is very big, enough space is there, and we can see a blackboard or a whiteboard in your classroom. So what the teacher is doing on the board? She will write. When she is teaching something, she will write on the board. Then another thing is, we can see a display board. A display board is there in the classroom. So we will display chart and also many notices or any important matters in the display board. Then in the classroom students are there. Among the students, boys and girls are also there. Then in the classroom, for sitting, chairs are there, and for writing and keeping the books, desk is there. Then classroom has also a dustbin kept in the corner. Usually dustbin is kept in the corner. What is the use of the dustbin? Yes, after sharpening that waste and also the paper waste or any other waste we are putting in the dustbin. We have to keep our class very clean and neat. So today's assignment, so you have to write in the notebook. Write 2 ways to keep your classroom clean. So which are the 2 ways? Any 2 ways to keep your classroom clean. So one we studied now itself. What we studied? Yes, throw all the waste in the dustbin. Then the arrangement of desks and chairs. Do you ever notice how it is arranged in a classroom? All the desks and chairs are arranged very well in the classroom. So otherwise what will happen? Otherwise it is not good for looking, and it will be very dirty also. We can keep our class clean by throwing waste in the dustbin and by keeping the desk and chairs in order. So, always we have to keep the desk and chairs in the order, arrange them in the order. So, this you have to write in the notebook. Then you have to take the textbook page number 205. Let us try. So, in that you can see a question, match the following. So, we can check which are the answers. So, in the left side you can see the pictures of some items in your classroom. Right side the uses of that things, or for what we are using that. So, we have to match it. So, in the what is the first picture? Yes, in the picture you can see a desk and a chair. So, from the right side you have to select. So, we can check the options. First option, to display charts. Is it correct? No. To sit and write. Is it correct? Yes. So, match it. So, the chair and the desk is to sit and write. Second picture is what? It is a picture of a cupboard. Picture of a cupboard. In your classroom also you already seen that a cupboard is there. What may be the use of that cupboard? You are keeping your books and everything in the cupboard. So, we can check what are the options here. To display charts, is it correct? No. For teacher to write, is it correct? No. To throw pencil shavings, is it correct? No. To keep books, is it correct? Yes. So, we have to match it. So, we match now. Then third picture, what is that picture? Yes, dustbin. So, can you say what may be the answers? What may be the answer? What is the use of dustbin? Yeah, we are throwing waste in the dustbin. So, we can check the column B, any option is there? Yes, to throw pencil shavings. So, we can match that. Okay. Then next picture is a display board. Display board may be to what? Display board. What is the use? We can check the column B. Two answers are remaining. To display charts, for teacher to write. What may be the answer? Yes, the first one. So, you have to match that. Then the last one, what is that? It is a board, blackboard. What is the use of blackboard? Yes, your teacher is writing on the board. So, here also their option is there for teacher to write. So, you have to do this work in your textbook. Let us try page number 205, question number 2, match the following. So, today we studied about our classroom. So, what are the things in the classroom? We studied. Then the classroom, our classroom is very big and there is a blackboard is there. The teachers are writing on the board and there is a display board is there for displaying many chart works. Then children are there, boys and girls are also there. Then the classroom has many desks and benches desk and chairs are there to write and sit. Desk is for what? For writing, to place your books and for writing, and chairs are to sit. Then classroom has a dustbin, it will be in the corner and you have to throw all the waste things in the dustbin. So, you have to write the assignment in your notebook and also complete the works in your textbook. Read and study the lesson also. Thank you.